What's good, my Forex for Beginners family? My name is Val. I want to first thank Saad Ali for this amazing Forex program he has created. I started trying to do Forex about 2 years ago. Had a couple of friends interested in it. They were kind of trying to explain it to me, but it just didn't make sense to me, honestly. So I signed up under what ended up being an MLM scam, trying to learn and really got nothing out of it. I decided to pick it back up recently because me and my family were looking to buy a house, we're looking to travel, and I thought this would be a great way of doing so. And by the grace of the Almighty, I came across this amazing program. The way that he breaks everything down, the lessons that he teach you, I'm just truly shocked and amazed at the fact that it's free, at the fact that the content is so awesome. I've learned so much in these past few months than I did, in the past 2 years. Teaching me about market analysis, marking up the charts, using Fibonacci retracement, just all these different things that I saw terms for but never knew what it meant. And I'm to a point right now where I'm actually still demo trading, but even in my demos, I'm making money instead of losing money. I'm understanding the concept of what it means to mark up a chart and find a trend and ride the wave to a point to where I can make money. And I'm amazed. I feel like anybody that's really looking to do Forex, to trade Forex, to learn what it's all about, this is the program for you. I'm telling all my friends, I'm telling all the people I care about, anybody that I know that's truly interested and wants to learn something amazing, I'm sending them to the Forex for Beginners training course, because the information in this course is invaluable. Like, you can't get this anywhere else. And I have to admit, during my course, I've kind of listened to other people as well, still, just to see, and listening to what they have set up, how they tell us to trade, the different things that they tell us to do. I've tried to take trades using their methods, and I have lost literally every time. I even did the free signals just to see, and I lost. But anytime I apply Saad Ali's method, I make my money right back. So I'm sticking with him. I hope you guys join. I hope you guys love it as much as I do. If you want to invest in your future, if you want to invest in your life, if you want to invest in your family, this is the way to go. Thank you so much.